I want to show you something that's beaten my imagination. A 3D rotating globe, fully interactive. One you can zoom in, zoom out, and spin with your cursor. Built inside Claude with no code written, no designer hired. Then an interactive AI timeline. Every single error clickable, every entry loaded with actual content. A Pomodoro timer app, fully branded, actually running. Just click start to watch it count down. And a landing page, designed with a professional layout, real copy aimed at founders, marketers, and product managers who need to turn ideas into clickable prototypes. And exported as HTML the moment it's finished. This shouldn't be possible yet. I kept testing it because I almost didn't believe it. And the part that got me was that it could build these things. It was how fast. The fact that none of it required Figma, none of it required Canva, none of it required anyone with a design background, just a description of what you wanted. And Claude Design figured out the rest. This is Claude Design, powered by Claude Opus 4.7, Anthropic's most capable vision model. It builds code-powered prototypes, animated slide decks, interactive experiences, landing pages, mobile apps, PDF guides, product mockups, and short videos, all from a prompt, all editable, all exportable. And if you've been using Claude Chat to describe what you want something to look like, then leaving to build it somewhere else, that's the gap this closes. This is the complete guide. Let's get into it. The first thing you do before touching any project, and most people skip this entirely, is build your design system. Go to claude.ai/design. On the left, you'll see options to create new projects, prototype, slide deck, or other. At the bottom, you'll find design systems. Start there. Click create. Fill in your company's details like the name and briefly describe your role. Add a GitHub link if you have one. Add your Figma file if you use Figma, and include your fonts, logos, and brand assets. In the notes section, describe your color palette, your corner radius preferences, and the overall tone of your brand. Put anything that makes your visual identity yours. No brand kit yet? Go to 21st.dev. It's a library of high-quality UI components and design directions. Find something that matches the feel of what you're building. Grab the design reference or prompt. Bring it into Claude Design's notes section as your starting foundation. Claude builds around it. This is how people without a design background get output that actually look professional from the very first try. Once your design system is saved, every project you create from that point pulls your colors, your typography, your components automatically. You never start from zero again. That's why you do this first. Now let's build a prototype. Click prototype. Name your project. Choose high fidelity. Skip wireframe. Stakeholders want to see something real. And with Claude Design, there's no reason to delay that. Once you're on the canvas, Claude asks clarifying questions before building anything. What's the product concept? Who's the user? What visual direction feels right? Which screens to include? Which device frames? How experimental should it push? Answer these carefully. Your first output depends almost entirely on how specific you are here. A prompt that works well looks like: build an onboarding flow for a futuristic edtech mobile platform, AI tutor concept, and iOS frame. Include welcome, sign up, goal setting, skill level diagnostic, and a paywall. Push high the experimental direction. What comes back surprises people the first time. Animations running. Color sliders you can drag live. Motion intensity controls you can dial for accessibility. Actual interactive states on every screen. For a first draft from a single prompt, it's not what you expect AI to produce. 3 ways to refine it from there. Hit edit and click any element directly. Text, font, size, weight, color. Same controls as any design tool. Use the tweaks panel to shift the overall color scheme, density, or layout style without touching individual elements. This is how you experiment quickly without burning through changes one at a time. Leave comments on specific parts. batch them together, and send them all to Claude at once. Don't send one comment at a time. Group your feedback into one submission. Cleaner results, fewer tokens used. When it's ready to share, hit present for a clean full screen view. Copy the link for teammates inside your Claude organization, or hand it off to Claude Code when it's time to build. That handoff works like this. Hit handoff to Claude Code. Claude packages the entire design into a bundle. Open Claude Desktop, go to the Code tab, paste the command, run it. If you have Figma MCP connected, say push this design to Figma, and Claude Code maps it into a working Figma file. Not always perfectly responsive out of the box. You'll tighten a few elements, but the design is in Figma and you're moving forward. Slide decks next, and this is where most people get immediate value. 2 steps are involved. First, write all your slide copy inside regular Claude chat. Get every word and section right before you open Claude Design. This saves your design usage limits for actual design work, not copy edits. Second, go to Claude Design, select slide deck, create your project, paste your copy in, prompt it like this. Build a slide deck from this content. Match our brand from the design system. Multiple slides come back, each with a different layout. It doesn't look like a template because every slide is built fresh. Edit inline, adjust the theme from tweaks. Drop comments for changes. Then export as PDF, PowerPoint, send to Canva, or export as standalone HTML. The Canva export is most useful for one thing: swapping out placeholder images Claude picked that don't quite fit. Get the deck into Canva, replace them, and it's ready to send. The use cases worth knowing about: 1. Animated videos. Prompt it like, make an animated video about this topic. Paste your content. Claude builds a code-powered animated video with motion graphics and captions you can toggle on or off. You can't export it as a video file directly yet. Screen record it for now. That will change. 2. Interactive experiences. Clickable historical timelines, 3D globes, text particle effects, voice and video powered prototypes. These are running code, not static images. One well-written prompt gets you a working first version to push from. Landing pages. Describe the page or paste in existing content. Claude builds it as functional HTML. Export. Upload to your host. Done. For marketers who need a campaign page without waiting on a developer, this is the move. PDF guides, travel guides, brand one-pagers, and product spec sheets. From it, get a formatted document, export as PDF, fix any images in Canva, and send it. Product mockups, book covers, app screenshots, merchandise visuals. Build from a prompt matched to your brand. No smart mockups subscription needed because this is a real review, not a sales pitch. Claude Design in research preview may have inconsistent results. The same prompt can come back excellent one session and flat the next. Complex design systems with too many pages slow everything down and eat your usage limit fast. Font recognition has had bugs. You might upload the right fonts and still see substitutes. Intricate prototypes hit daily limits quicker than you'd expect. Work with it, not against it. Keep first prompts tight. Answer Claude's clarifying questions carefully. Use chat to refine copy before bringing it into design. Don't upload a 75-page Figma file when 10 pages are all you need for the current project, and treat your usage limit like a real resource. Every follow-up, every edit, every clarification costs. Be deliberate about what you bring into design versus what you handle in chat first. That discipline alone changes how far your plan stretches across a week. Used that way, Claude Design is the most useful visual tool Anthropic has released for people who need to produce visual work but can't afford to or don't want to live in Figma all day. Founders, product managers, marketers, and designers who want to explore more directions faster now have something reliable to work with. Visit claude.ai/design now and build your design system first. Use 21st.dev if you're starting from nothing. Then pick your first project and run it. Drop a comment and tell me what you're building first. Like this video and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.